Good morning, guys. In front of me is Honor 70 Lite, and let me show you how to add Google account to this device. First, open the settings, then find and select accounts, and click on Add Account. Now select Google, select Add Account, and provide email address or phone number. In my case, it is email address. Tap on Next. And here it's time to enter the password, so let me do it off the screen. Well, here it is. Select Next. And here mark if this device belongs to you or to your kid and select Next. Here you've got Google Terms of Service, Google Play Terms of Service, and also privacy policy. And if you want to read the documents, just tap on the links, go through all of it, and then tap on I agree, obviously, if you do. Tap on More, Accept. And that's it. As you can see, your account has been added. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.